Hello and welcome to Introduction to JIDO GPS Tracking Device for Transportation and Logistics. This is Soebal Bishnu. I shall take you through the presentation. We shall briefly describe what is JIDO and why JIDO is far ahead than the plain, vanilla GPS devices. Where exactly JIDO is different. JIDO is the hero of transportation. JIDO attaches with the shipment, the container, the freight, and provides you visualization of your asset in transit from its origin to its destination. The shipper no more has to rely on the tracking details of the vehicle on which the shipment is being transported from some of the third-party logistics companies. The shipper now has complete control on her shipment, as it is the shipment, the cargo, the container which is being tracked, not the vehicle which is carrying the asset. As a logistics manager, one can sit in the command and control area to visualize all the inward and outward shipment, or can track them even on a mobile app, while away from office. JIDO has a wire lock to be attached to the container or the cargo being shipped. This smart lock system can be opened electronically using a mobile app by the authorized person, and only at the previously geofenced destination. Any deviation from this rule will generate immediate alert to the shipper and the logistics manager with the details when and where this infringement happened. With JIDO, you now can be rest assured about the safety of your valuable asset in transit. In case of no connectivity, one can use SMS or Bluetooth-based authentication to open the lock. We also have a model with manual lock T63. Let me go through some of the important features of JIDO. You can have end-to-end visualization of your shipment, asset in transit, even on your mobile phone. It is container, the shipment, that is getting tracked, not the vehicle carrying it. You can create routes, schedule stops, create trips on routes, have zones and geofences on the application. If there is any deviation from the scheduled route, if there is any delay in the trips, or insufficient number of scheduled trips. If there is any zone in or zone out, if there is any unscheduled stop. Even if someone tries to open JIDO in any place other than the destination, geofenced by you, there would be an immediate alert. JIDO can only be unlocked by an authorized person with the access to the mobile app, and the authentications only at the location where it is scheduled to be open. In any other case, there will be an alert. If network connectivity is not available, SMS or Bluetooth can be used after authentication. Manual locking system is available in T63, where only one specific physical key can open JIDO. JIDO can come with integrated sensors, like temperature, humidity, vibration, light sensors, door opening sensors. JIDO can be used for cold chain transportation for vaccines, food items, and other perishable goods. JIDO has a unique feature of dual SIM, and if there is no coverage for one network, it automatically switches to other networks. The future versions of JIDO would have satellite communications and IoT connectivity, like Sigfox. One can easily create zones, geofences, routes, stops, and trips on the user-friendly application of JIDO. One can assign rules to each one of these on the application of JIDO. Once set up, one can just sit back and relax, since one will be alerted for each and every deviation. Now there is no need to continuously check and track the movements. You get automatically alerted in case of any deviation from the schedules, and you initiate action only when there is a deviation. This relieves the shipper of the painful, error-prone tracking systems. Built rugged, JIDO can withstand heat and rain and the inclement weather. It is rated IP65. JIDO has a capacity to store 3 months of tracking data inside it. JIDO can be fixed on a container in less than 10 minutes. Similarly, it can be taken out in less than 5 minutes. JIDO is a flexible GPS tracking system. With JIDO, now you can have complete control on your shipment in transit. You are no longer dependent on the numerous tracking links shared by the third-party logistics partners for the vehicles carrying your shipment. You can now sit back and relax. In case of any deviation to the schedule, you are going to get alerted on your mobile phone itself so that you can take the necessary action. Number 8. The lock ropes. In case someone tries to open this rope, one needs to have authority. Without proper authorization, unless JIDO is at the right geotagged location, like its destination, there will be an immediate alert. Number 6. Switch off restrictions. JIDO cannot be switched off by anyone without the authorization. JIDO has tremendous market potential among the 3PL, the third-party logistics companies, among the cargo transporters. Especially for the multimodal and transcontinental shipments. JIDO is used by the security companies to transfer cash and valuables, the customs departments, when they would like to monitor the shipment of restricted goods. JIDO is becoming default solution for the commercial and retails when the manufacturers are shipping finished goods like pharmaceuticals, perishable items and valuable items, including electronics goods, to their customers. JIDO connects with the GPS satellites and acquires the environmental conditions like temperature, humidity, and sends out the data through the GPRS GSM towers to the cloud. Our customer would visualize the data and the alerts on their mobile phones and JIDO web applications. JIDO comes with high accuracy GPS and a large battery that needs to be charged once a month. JIDO has most of its competition from the European competitors. There is one Chinese competitor, Jointech. Please don't hesitate to touch base with me for any questions, any more information you need. Happy selling!